Right everyone, this is the end to the harvest in Sandhaven area, or around me anyway, this year. There's been a funny kind of time of weather as well, and some days were good and we started combining the weather change for a few days, like a week I think, or to get back and do it again, but everything seems to have worked out fine at the end of the day. It's all combined belt and everything's finished, ready for ploughing when it comes 2025. Thank you for watching. I'll have to see what I can do next. It's coming towards the end of the year now, you never know, I might get out into Pittsburgh Lake or somewhere like that, I hope so. Thank you.